Hi, this is Design Hacker. Photoshop is by far the best photo editor. You can make a YouTube thumbnail, make yourself a hero, retouch your portrait and much more. But there's a little catch. Photoshop isn't free. And it's not cheap, either. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best free alternatives for Photoshop so you can edit photos professionally even after your free 7-day Photoshop trial is over. GIMP. GIMP or GNU Image Manipulation Program is a free open-source photo editing program. It was originally created for Linux, but you can also download it on Windows or Mac. It has very similar features to Photoshop, and if you don't know how to use this program, you can find a lot of tutorials on the official website of this program. Krita. Krita is a program very similar to GIMP. The good thing about Krita is that you can download it on Windows, Mac, Linux and even Chrome OS and Android. I think it really is one of the best free photo editors and definitely worth trying. Photopea. Photopea is a free photo editing program created by Czech developer. The best thing about this program is that it works in the browser, so if you have limited space on your computer, this is the right choice for you. Another good thing about this program is that you can open Photoshop, Illustrator, GIMP and other photo editing programs files in it. For me, this is the best browser-based photo editor. Pixlr. If you've just closed Photopea and found that you don't like it, leave your browser on. Pixlr is another browser-based photo editing program. It works either in the browser on your computer or as an app on your phone. You can also download it to your computer, but since it works in the browser, why not take advantage of it? You can choose between Pixlr X, for vector graphics, and Pixlr E, for raster graphics. Affinity Photo. This is the only program on this list that is paid, but it's in this video on purpose. It only costs around $60 for a lifetime license, and it's comparable in performance to Photoshop. In my opinion, it's the best Photoshop alternative. Affinity Photo was the last program on today's list. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments which of these programs you like best. And also let me know what video I should make next. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.